Let's go over our deal of the week.
Okay.
This one is in Ocean Point.
It's a stunner in Ewa Beach, 91-1055 Kaimoana Street.
It's a prime location situated in a private cul-de-sac with no traffic through, and there's no neighbors directly behind either.
Unobstructed park and diamond head views. Enjoy lush green scenery from your lanai while sipping your morning coffee with peekaboo ocean views upstairs.
It's energy efficient. There's 19 owned solar panels
with 19.
With the net metering.
With the net metering.
Yes, and it has a flexible and spacious layout.
Flexible and spacious layout. Is that what you just said?
That's what I just said.
It's a 2-story entryway, leads to a bright open floor plan. Perfect for entertaining or creating your ideal work from home space.
And there is some fresh new updates with paint, flooring, landscaping it, and it was move-in ready.
Is this also true? Ample parking, a
Yes.
detached 2-car garage with a garage refrigerator. You know what that's for? Costco. Tons of guest parking.
And very low HOA fees and convenience at your doorstep. It's right next to top-rated schools, shopping, and the new rail.
And get ready for this. Listed at $1,150,000. And that's our deal of the week in
Ocean Point,
Ewa
Ewa
Beach.
Beach.